Oh, look, what did I get that wasn't absolutely necessary for my life?
On January 4th, 2024, officers in Florida responded to a Walmart shoplifting report. Loss prevention identified a female subject in an orange striped jacket leaving the store and heading toward a nearby Subway restaurant. The subject denied stealing, claiming her flashlight was purchased earlier at Harbor Freight. She admitted taking matches and rope from Walmart for her campsite. When asked for a receipt, she had none. Officers moved to detain her.
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, we have somebody matching your description that was shoplifting at the Walmart. They said they took off towards the Subway wearing an orange jacket, striped pants.
Well, yeah, no, I mean, they said they thought I was, but I don't have a flash. I didn't have a flashlight that I got at their store.
Okay.
I got one at Harbor Freight a lot earlier, and I got matches and a rope because I'm setting up my camp again, and it's dark, you know what I mean? But I didn't need that. I just needed the matches and the rope so I could set up the tarp.
Do you have a receipt?
For what?
I thought you said you got matches and a tarp.
Yeah, I got matches and a rope.
So do you have a receipt for the transaction?
Huh?
Do you have a receipt for that transaction?
No, I'm just getting a sandwich now. I don't know. I mean, I got it all over here.
For what?
The rope in it.
Okay. Alright.
For what?
For shoplifting.
I did not know. I just bought that
told me.
sandwich.
Okay.
I didn't know.
Hey, relax.
You're being detained.
For what?
Shoplifting. You just told you.
I didn't shoplift anything.
Relax.
You have to
You're gonna make
prove.
it
No,
worse.
please don't. Do this all the time. Oh.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Ow! Ow! Why are you doing this to me? I don't want to do this right now. I have to start on camera 6 months at a time. And you can do whatever you want, Kate. You for training. I don't have training in how to handle this. Why do you have to arrest me? Why?
You're being detained. Hey.
Oh.
Relax. Don't do that.
Ah! Ah! My stuff! My stuff! Your office is on the line! Let me lose my stuff!
Relax.
It's not important! It is important! That's not fair! Nobody should get my stuff because you're a jerk!
Relax.
That's not fair!
Stand up.
No!
Yes.
No! You have to be fair, please! Please, somebody be fair to me! Please, anybody, please be fair! Please! I'm fair to everybody!
Okay.
It's not right! It's not right!
Come on.
No! No!
Relax. Let's take a seat. What's your name? Ma'am. What's your name? Ma'am. You're gonna get charged with concealing. What's wrong? Ma'am, I'm trying to help you. You're being very
How are you helping me? How?
Well, I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
You don't know shit about what's going on. I'm gonna tell you.
Okay, what's your name?
It's not my business. Nobody will even let me know.
What's your name?
Nobody will even let me know.
What's your
How
name?
am I supposed to help you?
Okay, what's your name?
How am I supposed to help you if nobody lets me know?
You're gonna get charged with concealing if you don't give me your
I'm
name.
finally just doing well, minding my business and calm me down.
Okay, what's your name?
No!
No? Okay.
Under Terry versus Ohio, a credible loss prevention tip plus a matching description establishes reasonable articulable suspicion, enough for an investigative stop. Escalating to a full custodial arrest, however, requires probable cause. The subject resisted physically, pulling away and refusing commands throughout. Under Florida Statute 843.02, Resisting an officer without violence requires no physical assault against the officer. Non-compliance alone satisfies the charge. 2 flashlights were recovered from her backpack, matching the items loss prevention reported stolen. Under Chimel v. California, a lawful arrest authorizes a warrantless search of the arrestee's person and her immediate belongings. Officers read Miranda warnings before questioning, satisfying Miranda v. Arizona. The subject did not clearly invoke her right to silence. Under Berghuis v. Thompkins, ambiguous silence is not enough. Invocation must be unambiguous and explicit. On camera, the subject admitted she had not paid for the flashlights and acknowledged taking matches and rope. These voluntary statements established the criminal intent element required under Florida Statute 812.015 for retail theft.
Huh?
Did she hit me in the back? I don't know. Like when she was trying to turn, you were trying to get your cuffs out, I felt like poof.
I think that was her.
Yeah, well, I can't feel like I can.
Yeah, let me. I'll ask her. What'd you guys see right there? Did you see her hit the other officer?
I ordered a sandwich, she paid and everything,
Okay.
and then she asked us to arrest him and I told her they were out of order, and then she just sat,
Well, that's when I showed up because I saw it going that way.
Yeah, I don't know, I just...
Okay, did you see any of that incident that happened right there?
No, I walked away.
Okay. Alright, cool. They said that they went towards the back and they didn't see nothing.
No, I just felt like a thump. And I'm like, is that her? Because I was like turning your wrist.
Yeah, I didn't. That wasn't me.
You can take it over there?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out her name. Have you dealt with her before?
I never have. I've never seen her.
Employee calling in reference to a homeless male that was hitting himself in the face and hitting his head on a brick wall.
You okay?
He's going to be wearing brown jacket.
What was that?
I don't know yet.
Okay.
Negative on any weapons.
Alright, there. This card.
18. Yes,
It's
sir.
your Miranda warning. It's your Miranda warning. I'm sorry. Do you understand these rights that I've explained them to you?
No.
You don't understand them? So what do you not understand?
Are you gonna ask me questions after you read me those rights?
Yes.
Why should I care what to do? I don't know what to do.
Okay.
I'm fucking doing the best I can.
I understand that.
I cannot handle all this pressure. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. So again, the reason why we got called is because of a shoplifting that was reported. I did see video footage of you.
I'll be shoplifting.
Yes.
How?
What's on video footage?
What did I lift?
What do you mean what you lift?
What did I lift?
Like what'd you grab?
What did I shop for? That's not shoplifting.
If you grab something and then you leave,
I
that
pay
is
her all the
shoplifting.
time.
Okay. Do you have those flashlights on you?
What? You guys took everything.
Okay,
I
so-
paid $10 for that sandwich that I'm not getting now because of you guys.
Okay.
You know how much that's costing me out of what I don't have?
Okay, I'm sorry about that.
Not to mention my health. I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Okay. Do you have any of
Like, what am I supposed to do?
Okay. Do you have any of the
And then when they let me out, what am
do
I
you have
supposed
any
to
of
do
the
then?
do you have any
Come
flashlights
back
on your
and these people that are gonna laugh at me
Okay. Do you
for
have
getting
any
arrested?
Do you have any flashlights on you?
I don't know.
Do you have
I
any
don't
in
know
your
what I
jacket?
have on me. I don't even know if I have clothes or not. I feel so stupid.
You do have clothes on, man.
Obviously,
Well,
my flesh is my clothes.
I'm asking your question. Well, I'm answering your question. Can I check your pockets to make sure there's no flashlight so we can rule that out?
So yeah, I mean, you just take everything out of value from me because you already have.
Okay. So right now you're being detained, okay, for the crime of shoplifting.
Obviously, can I get out?
No,
Why?
you're not free to leave.
I'm not free to leave. I'm not trying to leave. What am I gonna do? Leave in handcuffs and then run around like somebody's gonna set me free? Like I'm not just gonna get thrown out and made fun of some more because I'm in handcuffs. I can't get out of.
Yeah. Okay. So can I check your pockets to make sure there's no flashlight in there?
No.
No.
Is that gonna stop you?
No. Well, when you do get arrested for shoplifting, I will.
I'm not
search your person.
shoplifting. That's what I was saying. They were matches. Matches are supposed to be free.
Okay. Well,
I don't know about the rope. Maybe the rope. I'm sorry.
Okay.
But still, like, what is that so big? And where does it have me taking them?
Okay.
It's two packages. It's just like a regular long flashlight, and then the ones that has like the LED bar.
You guys want to pursue for the shoplifting?
Yeah.
Why? Why can't you just ticket me and make me pay you? Like, I would pay you. I just don't have that much to pay you all at once.
Copy at 1948.
Like, please let me pay you.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, that ship has sailed.
I thought I was on a payment plan.
No.
Why can't I just pay you?
There's no payment plan when it comes to Walmart, or at least any business.
That's bullshit. I had a $25 dividend from them.
Okay. Do you have anything on you that could cut, stab, or poke me?
I have a pipe, I think, but I'm not sure in my little change bag.
Okay. What do you have right here?
No.
You don't know?
I don't remember.
Okay.
I have to strap everything to me, and I don't know what I have on me until I get to a spot where I can take it all out and go through it.
You have a golf ball?
I juggle. I taught myself to juggle during the COVID.
Well, that's pretty cool.
It's not.
Is it difficult to learn?
Yeah,
Yeah. Well, see, that's a useful skill.
I don't think so.
It is.
Keeps me from wanting to hurt myself or other people. But I don't get up very often to do it because nobody gives a f about that stuff.
Well, there's a lot of people that make.
Not at night. I don't give a f about that stuff. I want to be warm and I want to be loved and I want to be
Can you
home.
step out?
I haven't been any of those things for a year.
Can you step out, please?
And before that, I kept going through it and people just kept laughing at me. The same four set of girls.
I'm sorry about
Just
that.
laughing at me that I
Yeah,
couldn't
I
use my
can-
to make money.
I can understand
And I don't
how difficult
want
that may
to
be.
do what they did. I will not do what they
Can you
did.
please come out?
But I don't think they're wrong or they're bad or they're stupid. I just think they're mean.
Okay.
And they're
Ma'am,
ugly.
ma'am, can you please come out?
And I can be mean and ugly. But I don't want you to do what people say. I just get over it. I don't think people have the right to do this to me personally.
Do what?
But you're doing.
Checking to make sure you don't have any merchandise on you?
Well, look, what did I get that wasn't absolutely necessary for my life?
Okay. And I understand
And
things
my
might be...
safety. Like, I at least care about my life and my safety. I don't go around risking everybody else's.
I understand.
And nobody protects me for that.
Alright, you could...
Nobody supports me for that.
Can you please sit down?
Nobody even lets me see my kids without after party tantrums for that.
Okay. Alright. Can you please scoot in? Thank you.
Why?
Is this your guys?
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's the one that she took. So, I don't know if she dumped the packaging.
Yeah, I don't... This is all I found on her.
She put it in her backpack.
The subject had been unhoused for 1 year, describing the items as survival necessities. Sympathetic circumstances are relevant at sentencing, but they do not eliminate criminal liability when all elements of the offense are satisfied. Officers receive a B-. The stop was legally grounded and Miranda was properly delivered. However, no attempt was made to verify the Harbor Freight claim before escalating to physical detention against a visibly distressed subject. The subject receives a D. She admitted to the theft on camera, physically resisted officers, and refused to comply throughout the encounter. Sympathetic motive does not change the legal outcome when all elements of the offense are met. Lesson 1. When a suspect offers a specific, verifiable exculpatory claim, attempt to verify it before making a custodial arrest. A brief check could have either resolved reasonable doubt or eliminated it before force became necessary. Lesson 2. Miranda rights must be invoked clearly and unambiguously. Asking whether you will be questioned is not an invocation. Once rights are read, continuing to speak voluntarily waives that protection under Berghuis versus Thompkins. Lesson 3. Resisting a lawful detention, even one you believe is unjust, adds a separate criminal charge. The appropriate remedy for an unlawful stop is through the courts, not physical noncompliance at the scene.